Good morning, standard 9 students. So today I am going to start to solve the question from complementary angle chapter. So I have already given you the formula. First, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta, sin 90, before that, how the formula come, let it go. You know that the right angle triangle is based in trigonometry is based on right angle triangle. Let this right angle at B. Let this angle is theta, then angle A will be 90 degree minus theta, because sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180. So we will add 90 plus theta plus 90 minus theta, it will be equal to 180. Now when we take this angle theta, so sin theta will be equal to, for this angle this is perpendicular AB, BC is base, and sin theta we know P by H means perpendicular by hypotenuse AC. Now take this angle. So I am cos 90 minus theta. So when we take this angle, then this is perpendicular, AB is base. So and I have taken cos 90 minus theta. So AB by AC. See here, sin theta is AB by AC, cos theta also AB by AC. It means both are same. So we can write what? We can write cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Right. Same way we can prove sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Right. Similarly, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Right. Say 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. These are the formula we have to use. Tan 90 degree, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Say 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. Right. So whenever it is given, and remember, when standard angle are given, standard angle means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. If these are known as the standard angle. If these angles are given, we have to put the value directly. But other than complementary angles are given, we will convert it into complementary angle. Right. If other than a standard angle are given, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, other than this angle are given, then we will convert into complementary angle. So what are the complementary angle? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And beside this, what formula we have studied in the first chapter of trigonometry that we have to use. Hey, now see here how to solve the question based on the complementary angle. Cos 55 degree by sin 35 degree plus cot 35 degree by tan 55 degree. 8. This is not a standard. And how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. This is the first term, this is second term. From each term, we will convert one of the angle into complementary angle. Either numerator one or denominator from the first term. Same way from the second term, either numerator or denominator. So any one from each term you are going to convert into complementary. So I am converting this. Sin 90 degree. Now we cannot change the angle. Cos 55 must be there. Now when we convert it to 90 complementary, so we will write first 90. Now how much we will subtract from 90 so that it will be equal to 55? This is 35. So 90 minus 35 degree by sin 35 degree. Same way here. Cot 90 degree minus 55. How much subtract from 90 so that it will be equal to 35? So 55. Then tan 55 degree. 8. After converting into the complementary angle, now we will use the formula. What formula? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. And in place of theta there is 35. So it becomes cos 30, sorry, it is given cos, not cos here. So it becomes sin 35 degree, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, by sin 35 degree, plus cot 90 minus 55, 8. Tan 55 degree by tan 55 degree. Cancel, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is our answer. Do you follow? Sec square 18 degree minus cosec square 72 degree. Now see how many terms are there? 2 terms. We will see 18 degree and plus 70 degree. Is it equal to 90 degree or not? Yes, it is equal to 90 degree. Where sum of two angles is coming 90 degree, then generally we convert one of the angle into complementary. So here 18 and 72 is coming 90 degree. So either sec or cosec we will convert into complementary. So I am going to convert the sec. Right here sec square. How much subtract from 90 so that it will be 18? That is 72 degree minus cosec square 72 degree. This becomes sec 90 minus theta means cosec theta. So we can write cosec square 72 degree minus cosec square 72 degree. Now see here, cancel. What is the answer? Do you follow this up? This way, by using the complementary angle formula, only 4 up to 6 formula there, plus the angle, first chapter trigonometric formula, we can solve this exercise. So whenever the sum of two angles is coming 90 degree, convert one of them into complementary. Right? Thank you very much. Some more question I will solve in next video.